Hello and welcome. In this Grafana Cloud tutorial, you will learn the most recent way to quickly getting started, monitoring and observing your cluster and its applications. Keep in mind that everything I'm showing is done manually or through the UI, but you can use your favorite scripting tools, config management tools, and CI/CD deployment tools in order to fully automate everything I'm showing. The only prerequisites for this tutorial are a running Kubernetes cluster and the command line tools kubectl and Helm installed on the machine you're working on. First of all, you want to create a new Grafana Cloud account and log on to it. Then you can use your new stack or create a new one. I'm going ahead and create a new stack. This will take a small moment. Each stack comes with its backends to store metrics, logs, traces, profiles, conduct load tests, and of course a Grafana instance. Once the stack is ready, access your Grafana Cloud instance and go to the Kubernetes monitoring page. Follow the step-by-step guide, enter your cluster name and define the namespace to which you want to deploy Grafana Alloy, the Grafana distribution of the OpenTelemetry Collector. Make sure to tick the boxes you need. In my case, I don't need a Zipkin receiver, but I do want to use Grafana Application Observability. I will also skip auto instrumentation with Grafana Baler, since the apps I'm going to deploy are already fully instrumented. Let's generate a new access policy token and copy and paste the resulting Helm commands. Check if Grafana Alloy is up and running. Now we are ready to observe whatever we'll deploy into this cluster. We'll deploy the official OpenTelemetry Demo, which comes with fully instrumented examples for many different programming languages. You can check the architecture and the instrumentation in the docs as well as in the GitHub repo. To do so, we'll install the official OpenTelemetry Helm repo and then install the demo with some custom values. The most important custom value is to set the OTel Collector name to point to Grafana Alloy. The other values just remove services that we don't need to deploy for a working application. With the small port forwarding, you can now access the OTel Demo app. Meanwhile, we can see that Grafana Cloud verifies that all the services we wanted to install are installed. As it'll take a few minutes until the dashboards are populated, we'll go ahead and initialize the Application Observability experience, which will generate metrics from traces to provide us with red metrics on span level. Let's explore metrics, logs, and traces, and we can see that telemetry is flowing in successfully. Great. Now we should be able to do a quick drill down on our infrastructure and also access some application logs from the Kubernetes monitoring experience. The Application Observability experience is also already successfully initialized, and I can browse the different services, see programming language specific details, correlate traces with their metrics and logs, and observe service dependencies. course, there's much more that you can do, but this video was all about getting you started quickly by deploying Kubernetes and application monitoring. Thanks for watching.